The Nine of Hearts. Let's begin. Take our hands, we're going to clap them together, rub them, and then rest them on our thighs. We're going to draw 3 hearts. We're going to start at the inside of our eyebrows. We're going to move up our forehead, around the outside of our face to our chin. 2, one more time to do that. Then we're going to move down to the heart chakra. We're going to trace 3 hearts. 1, up the center. 2, one more time, up the center. Excellent. This time we're going to start at the pubic bone and we're going to take it straight up to the heavens and we're going to push the air 2 more times. 2. And last time to draw the heart, letting it into our auric field. And then this last time we're going to move up the center of our body, the Central Meridian, and palms facing out. We're going to push the air. We're going to let our hands rest on our thighs as we trace them down our legs. We're going to let our hands rest on the floor. Take a nice deep breath in, trace back up the legs, and we're going to end where we started, right there on our thighs. That's all there is to it. Namaste, the Nine of Hearts.